Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Parate. I am an orthopedic surgeon and a share market enthusiast. I am not SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Please go through this disclaimer. I am analyzing Torrent Pharma on daily time frame. So Torrent Pharma was forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it was kind of mature uptrend. If we make a parallel channel, you can see high of this and high of this are connected. So this trend is intact with higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low formation, and at this place there is breakout outside the upper trend channel, which is supply line. This green candle which is breaking out has largest spread among all the green candles seen in this trend. So bulls see this as an opportunity to book their profits, as this is big green candle which is kind of bonus to them. That's why there is one red candle which opens at top and closes at bottom, and bears also scalp for some profits. There is close of this red candle near supply line. Then bulls try to push it again, but they are unable to close above this high. And then there is massive selling. This massive selling has largest spread among the red candles on chart. So this large spread candle is indicating weakness, and there is follow-up selling on 2 days continuously. It is indicative of bears gaining strength. This trend line is drawn here. Prices react at this trend line demand, but they are unable to cross previous high, and then there is breakdown of this trend line. So lower high is marked here, and there is breakdown of this trend. So this rally based drop region has formed a supply, and from there prices have broken down, and this trend line support has been broken. Then prices came down, formed lower low, as HL4 low was broken by this red candle, and after some retracement prices opened with huge gap down. Then there was up move which could not sustain, and prices made another low. So with this lower high and this lower high, trend line can be drawn. At this point there is breakout above this trend line resistance, and there is consolidation with these two candles closing outside the trend line resistance. So this breakout has sustained, and with this up move, massive green candle closing at top, the breakout has confirmed. There is big gap up and huge up move from low of 1580 points to 2700. So there is huge up move, and this is strongly bullish behavior, but it is climatic, because this kind of buying cannot be sustained for long and correction is due. However, we notice that prices come down with massive red candles, but they are stopping at this supply zone, which is now a demand zone with this valid break. So prices are held here, and buyers come in here to support prices at point 2. Buyers take prices higher slowly to point 3, and then higher low is made at point 4. From point 4 there is again gap up with momentum green candles going higher, and higher low is formed here. This high is broken at point 5, and a fresh high is made with highest close in this entire region. 2547 was highest close in the entire up move. This is not a highest close, it was open price, but close is more important than open, and this is the highest close, and prices have closed higher here for first time on 20th May, and 21st May is the highest close of this complete trend. Then there is base formation, and we make this trend line from point 4 here with higher low. So this trend line is broken with this massive red candle. This becomes valid supply zone because there is good reaction and trend line break here. So this is a valid supply zone here. From here prices come down, and this doji candle has massive volume. It went below point 0.4 low, and there is huge volume. It is indicative of buyers coming in and supporting prices at this level, but there are good number of sellers. That's why there is such a huge volume in this candle. So from here it is kind of spring action. This candle close here gives good spring. There is retest of these levels with this red candle, but prices went up and gave target of supply zone, which was target of this spring. Even if stop loss is hit on this candle, spring entry can be taken on this bar, and there is good risk reward in this trade. After hitting supply zone, prices come down slowly. Comparing this 5 to 6 move, 7 to 8 move is very slow with decrease in angle, and point 8 gives entry in original demand zone. This is also another spring to point 6. Spring is confirmed only after close of this candle, as this is not very bullish close. So spring confirmation candle is here, and from this candle there is good target achieved for the spring. Now there was huge gap up. This candle with a gap up opening has crossed a supply zone at number 5. It has crossed higher high. It has closed higher than previous high close. So this is very bullish candle, and it has given a close at highest level till now in Torrent Pharma. However, the close is around 70%. There is large wick on upper side. The volume is huge. It can be seen as a climatic candle, and it has not closed above 2699 level. So to call it a valid breakout, we need to close beyond 2699 levels on a daily closing basis. Looking at price action, this is massive down move followed by another massive down move followed by another down move, but angle of down move has decreased. This was very steep down move followed by a less steep down move and followed by two-legged very shallow down move in angle. And looking at up moves, this was two-leg shallow up move, then gradually angle of ascent increased, and this up move is stronger than this up move, and recent up move is very strong. So this is very uh, bullish sign, and prices are holding higher and rising faster and coming down slowly. There are very good chances that this level will be broken soon, and with this kind of accumulation, the range of accumulation is around 500 points with 1 2 3 4 5 6 moves. Almost 1000 to 1500 point up move is possible from here if daily closes above 2700. Possible targets are up to 4,000, but right now stop loss is very deep. It is below 2225, so it is not a very good risk reward trade. It will be good trade if prices go up, come back down here and test 2700 again, or this supply zone, which is now demand zone. If it gives entry, then it can be a good trade with higher risk reward. This is still range bound stock with 2700 being higher limit. There is possibility that the stock can come and test 2300 one more time. If there is sustained breakout beyond 2700 on daily closing basis with follow-up buying on 1 or 2 days, then 2700 may be a good level to buy. Another possibility is this red zone. If prices come down and if they do not go below 2600, then it can be a good low risk trade for up move from here. We'll have to wait for further price action and check whether prices come down, break out, or test here and go up. These are the three possible trades which we can have from this chart. Do not invest based on this analysis. Please consult your financial advisor before investing in anything. Thank you.